Are you feeling an immense amount of joy and happiness? It's just too much to bear. You should try Pain Givers. Why Pain Givers, you may be asking? Well, they bring the pain. Pain Givers use the natural prism effect to trick the human brain into thinking it's in pain. Can you please explain your experience with Pain Givers?
I used to be happy and full of life, but now, thanks to the Pain Givers, I have a reason to mourn.
What about you, sir?
You see, I gave it to my boss, and now I'm happier than ever. Thanks, Pain Givers.
That's great. And you? Is he okay? Anyways, I'm sure he loves Pain Givers. Try Pain Givers today. Only available on certain sites on the dark web.
Possible side effects include addiction and unhealthy fear of getting DeVito, possible pregnancy in men and women only speaking in brainwave terms such as sigma, skibbity, rizzler, etc., insomnia, sudden shopping addiction, the Irish can get you, abnormal breathing, pain, spontaneous Irish river dancing, and of course death. Pain Givers are banned in all 7 continents.